Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Welcome to my new project share. So I created this super cute project using the gorgeous Teresa Collins Save the Date paper pack. I purchased this at, I think it was Michael's a long time ago. I had it in my stash, just trying to use it up. So here on the front cover I made a lot of handmade flowers, added some banners, and I popped them up with some dimensional foam tape, and I added my texture, my favorite trim from the Dollar Tree, and also this cheesecloth was from the Dollar Tree. So super cool. I fussy cut some banners out and a piece of the lace here. And I had this metal piece from Michael's years ago, and I just smudged some paint on it, as well as I did with these flowers. And here on the spine, just some cheesecloth with some twine, baker's twine. And I got this cute little key just out of my stash. And here's the back. Super cool. And the other spine right here. And I used this same lace for the closure. So this is a mini Trifold Folio. I did a couple different things in here, so it's super cool. I like the distressed look of this. Okay, so when you open it up, the first thing you'll see probably is it's busy. So over here on the right side, we got two tags. I added some cheesecloth and stapled some sheer ribbon. These were just some of the cut-aparts out of the cut-aparts page, and they're double-sided papers. So there weren't a lot of paper designs in here, but I did my best. Here's another cut-apart. I added a cute little flower and a little pearl with some more cheesecloth and a fussy cut banner. And again, this is your little hidden flap right here. Photo spaces, and then a couple more tags inside here. So cute. I think you can fit about 33 photos in here because I changed some stuff up. On the left side, again, cute tags, places for journaling, for photos. Look at this, super cute. And also up here as well, and I did add a different feature down here. Look at this. More than there are stars in the sky and fish in the sea, I love you. Oh my God, super cute. Here's the bride, note from the bride. So I did the bride stuff on this side, and you'll see when I open it, I did the grooms on the other side. So right here, I added this little fold out, which adds more photo space. So let's just open this whole thing up. You open this, and I create a little tuck spot right there. You can add a photo right here, if you wanted, but I would add it on the inside. Here, here, and in here. So that's kind of cool. You have a photo spot right where your pocket is. And then so on this side, of course, I added some more cheesecloths, some handmade flowers. This one was just out of a bunch of Michael's. I don't know, I've had those for years. I just added it right there. More banners, added the lace, and here's the waterfall. Super cute. I need to add some chalk marker lines in here. So I was running out of the paper, as you can see. I was piecing together some stuff there. And another added feature I did was this whole thing swings to the left. So you can have another place for a couple photos here, or even journaling. And then borrowed old blue and new. I thought that was so cute. That was one of the cut aparts. I just mounted it on some really dark gray cardstock, and then I just stuck it right there. And over here on this side, oh, look at this. This is so cute. The details. Oh my gosh, another cut apart here. Some more texture, favorite lace. Isn't that cute? And then I got the booklet in here, and I did something different with this as well. I turned this into more of like a book. So I added some more pages in here so you could just maybe write, or I don't know. I just wanted to add this in there. Maybe they can write, you know, all the people that showed up to their wedding, or this would be a super, super fast, quick and easy gift to create for somebody's wedding. So then you open this flap up, photo space, tags on the inside, of course. Hopefully I'm in frame. I'll drag it over just in case. So cool, right? Oh my gosh. And again, this flips over, and again, look at that. Another little cut apart. Made a cute little banner right there. And the groomsmen. That's cool. Look at that. And photo space. Again, 4x6 and 4x4. Okay. I did use my circle punch to do the little ticket edges right here, corners. So that's how I did that. And I did add like a little cute tab right there using my circle punch. So a note from the groom. Look at that. And I think that is it. I'm kind of like thrown off by all the stuff I added on here. Texture and cheesecloth is everywhere. So yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.